During the sacred rifle inspection at Arlington, every eye was fixed on the soldier's flawless movements. Then, an unexpected moment occurred. A medal on an officer's chest suddenly fell to the ground. The medal remained there until the end of the ceremony, like a symbol full of meaning. Some say that the silence was proof of iron discipline. Nothing was allowed to break the formation. Others saw in it a deeper message. True honor does not lie in a medals worn on the chest, but in the spirit and eternal devotion of the soldier.